If you have Galaxy phone and if someone's trying to call you and it doesn't show their contact info, even though it's saved in your contact. Here's an example. This is my second phone. I know it's saved, but it doesn't show me my contact info. You'll need to go to your settings. Then you need to go to apps and then find Call Protect. And then you'll have to either uninstall or disable this app. I will uninstall. Okay, once it's done, we can try to call one more time, test and see if it's gonna work. Okay, as you can see, this is my second phone and you can see that my contact information is shown. Just by disabling or uninstalling that app, fix that issue. Thanks for watching.